How to fix Threads keyboard. Hello guys, if you want to fix Threads keyboard, first step, click settings and click apps and notifications. Click apps and wait a minute for loading first, and scroll down for search your app Threads. Click Threads and click for stop, and click storage and click clear data, click clear cache, and don't forget restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.